This is just another example of an exponential growth one. We're going to look at this one, and we're just going to try to go kind of along this list here and try to answer all of these. The first one is it growth or decay? So we have to look at this one. If this number right here is larger than 1, then we consider that one a growth. So for this particular one here, we're just going to write in growth or decay. This one is a growth. Now we're looking at the the x-intercept on this one, and the x-intercept is going to be where it crosses that x-axis. So right along here, and it gets real close to, but never quite touches. So in this case, it will be none as well. The y-intercept on this one is where it crosses the y-axis. The unique thing about that is when x equals 0 is where it crosses the y-axis. So for that one, we're simply going to plug in 0 for x. So 60 to the 0 power equals 1. And so we know that our x value, x equals 0. So we're going to write this one as an ordered pair. It would be 0, 1. It's asking for our horizontal asymptote, and horizontal asymptote is the line that it gets real close to but never touches, and that's this line right here, which is our x-axis. So that would be y equals 0, would be our horizontal asymptote. Increasing or decreasing, this one is, since it is a growth, it would be an increasing. Sorry for the sloppiness. And then the last thing that we want to identify here is the growth or decay factor, and that's this factor right here. That is the base with the exponent raised to the x power. So that base in this case is 60, so our growth factor would simply be 60.